One of the most common questions that we get asked is how much does it cost to have your gutters cleaned? So I thought I'd put together a very quick video just to talk you through how we price up your jobs to make it easier for you. Okay, so first off, to make it easier for you, what we do is we do an instant price. So our website, gutterpro.co.uk, allows you to put in the variables and it'll spit out a price for having your gutters cleared. So that's the inside of your gutters vacuumed out so that they're running nice and clear. And we'll also give you a price for a gutter clear plus an additional service, which is having your gutter fascias cleaned and also the fascia boards cleaned. So that's a clear and a clean to make it nice and simple. Okay, so let me talk you through what you get for a gutter clear. So a gutter clear will turn up to the job. Obviously, on time. You'll have a system where you'll be getting a text message. You'll be able to track the technician to see where they are on that particular day. You'll also have lots of communication to give you reassurance that we're going to turn up. Secondly, when we arrive, we're going to do an inspection. So we're going to do an inspection of the gutters to ensure that they actually need to be cleaned out. So what that involves is putting a camera onto an inspection pole, all safely from the ground. We inspect the gutters, checking the downpipes, checking the runs of the gutters to make sure that they're blocked. We'll show you those images before we do the work, and then we'll talk you through how we're going to approach the job to ensure that the job's completed safely and effectively. Okay, once the job's done, we'll also take photographs of the gutters again, and this time we're going to show you that the job's been completed and you can see the difference between the before and after, and that they're running nice and smoothly. So in terms of the actual pricing then, so prices start from as little as £69, that's for a clear. And then for the clear and the clean service, it's a minimum of £118. So it goes from 69 to 118 for a 2-bed. And up to, let's say, a 4-bedroom property, which is quite a popular choice, you're looking at £99 for a clear, and then it's £158 for a clear and a clean. And we'll do obviously any size property in between, or anything that's above that. We'll take a look at that on the day, and we'll give you a price. So hopefully that's enough information to help you out. So basically it allows you to get a quotation easily, effectively, hassle-free. You don't need to be waiting in for people to come and take a look. We just give you an instant price, get your job booked in, and then you've got that job ticked off your list of things to do.